welcome back to the channel. Today for you we have got the new Dainese Fulcrum 3 boots. So these boots are a waterproof touring boot. They have got a Gore-tx membrane inside, which makes them waterproof right up to where you can see this gaiter goes across. So right up to here you've got a Gore-tx liner, so you've got waterproofing all the way up to here. Great opening to get the boots on and off. You've got a pull loop there so you can get them on. And you've also got on this side another opening so you can widen them for your calf, or if you want to put your trouser leg in and you need that little bit extra room. You'll notice the perforations. That is so that the Gore-Tex that is behind the leather can actually breathe to its maximum ability, and any moisture can vent through those perforations, but this is still waterproof because it's actually the membrane behind the Gore-Tex that is making it waterproof. What have we got that's different to the old Fulcrum GT? So let's have a look at the GT. The Fulcrum 3 now has 3 motion panels, so there's 2 at the front and 1 at the back. If you have a look at the old GT, so we've got 2 motion panels. These are a little bit smaller as well, and you haven't got 1 at the back, you've just got this to try and make a little bit of flexibility. So you've got much more mobility in the new Fulcrum 3. What you've also got at the front, you've got this soft, it's like almost like a hard rubber armour, done very similar to the Dainese Pro armour. And if you have a look at the old Fulcrum GT, you can see this instead, it's got a TPU insert behind the leather. So that is a massive improvement on this boot over this one. What they've also done above that shin armour is giving you a soft section so it doesn't rub and it's nice and comfortable for long periods of time. If we then look at the boot base, so we have now got the GoreTx soles on these. These are really popular now across all of the Dainese range of shoes and boots. And you can see a huge improvement over the old GT. As for protection, you've got a TPU insert in the toe, so it's a reinforced toe, and you've also got a TPU insert in the ankle there. So this is all reinforced, all whilst keeping the mobility of the boot and the flexibility. So what do we think of the boot? I think this is a great touring boot, and these are going to be extremely popular with anyone who's doing long distance touring. What do you think? If you'd like to see us take these boots out and test them on the road, let us know in the comments. Please like and subscribe to see plenty more of our content. It's only going to get bigger and better as more people get involved. And then until next time, ride safe.